Bihar PSC cancels Patna exams after disruption led to the official's death. TS Inter Exams 2025 date sheet released for the first and second year students. Noida schools to begin at 9 am amid cold weather and pollution concerns. Noida boy Abhijay Tiwari bags AIR 9 in AILET makes single mother proud. Government shuts down 12 fake universities in 10 years, urges greater awareness.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top education news are: Bihar Public Service Commission BPSC has cancelled its preliminary exam at the Bapu Pariksha Parisar in Patna following a disturbance caused by disruptive candidates on December 13. The chaos triggered by the allegation of a leaked question paper led to the death of exam superintendent Ram Iqbal Singh due to a heart attack. The BPSC identified 30 to 40 candidates responsible for the disruption who will be barred from the future exam. Around 6,500 affected candidates will be given a chance to retake the exam. Police investigating is on and charges may be filed against those involved in the violence. The BPSC confirmed that exams at all the centers were conducted fairly. The Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education has announced the 2025 Intermediate Public Examination exam schedule for both first and second year students. Theory exam will begin on March 5, 2025 and end on March 25, 2025 across general and vocational streams. Key subjects include mathematics, physics, chemistry and English with specific dates for first and second year exams. Special exams for backlog students will start on January 29, 2025. Practical exams for first year students will begin on Jan 31st, 2025 with the general and vocational practical exams scheduled from February 3 to February 22, 2025. Students can access the full timetable on the TSBIE website. The Gautam Budh Nagar administration has directed all the schools in Noida and Greater Noida to start classes at 9 am from Tuesday due to extreme cold conditions. Additionally, schools have been instructed to switch to a hybrid teaching mode for students up to class 5 in line with pollution control measures under the Graded Response Action Plan Stage 3. The administration has also mandated strategic work timings for government departments. The air quality index in Noida and Greater Noida is recorded as very poor with the forecast of worsening condition. Schools and colleges are required to conduct hybrid classes and non-essential diesel vehicles are restricted in the area. Abhijay Tiwari from Noida secured AIR 9 in the 2024 All India Law Entrance Test, becoming the only boy from Uttar Pradesh in the top 10. He credits his success to his single mother, Swati, who sacrificed her event management career to become a tuition teacher, providing him with unwavering support. Abhijay, who chooses law out of curiosity and switched to open schooling after class 10, faced financial challenges, but to overcome them with his family's help, he advised the future aspirants not to stress over mock scores and bad days. Abhijay's journey, backed by his family's love and his mother's sacrifice, reflects the power of resilience and support. Over the past decade, the government has closed 12 fake universities operating in India with 21 fraudulent institutions still active. Union Minister of State for Education Sukanta Majumdar informed the Lok Sabha about the efforts to curb educational fraud, urging state government to take swift actions against these entities. He also called the members of the parliament to help raise awareness by sharing the list of fake universities, preventing students from falling victim to the misleading degrees. Legal actions including FIRs have been initiated against these institutions with a University Grant Commission maintaining a comprehensive list. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information on education, log into our website www.theenn.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.